Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do November mid-month reading for the sign Aquarius air sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Aquarius, let's see your recent past. Okay, first card, the Star, your card, King of Swords, Hanged Man. Yeah, so one person in this connection right now undergoing some spiritual awakening and still thinking about the connection but still hoping for this connection, and one person in this connection is very straightforward and honest. I think it could be you, Aquarius. I think you are still hoping for this connection. I think your person may be undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are in no contact or less contact. If you are in contact, there is very less communication between both of you. Yeah, but one person is very straightforward and truth coming out and honest also. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Wheel of Fortune. Wow, Ace of Swords, Three of Swords. Oh, I think you or your person could be heartbroken in this connection right now. Yeah, right now. For some there is separation also. One person feeling like this. It could be your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Aquarius, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely things are turning in this connection favor. Definitely your connection, some truth coming out, some communication. Definitely you both will communicate in recent past, or his communication is going because Ace of Swords is under, but one person waiting for reconciliation. I think Wheel of Fortune, definitely it is positive sign, but one person is right now in this pain. It could be your person. So one person is in pain, one person want second chance in this connection. If there are any differences between both of you, one person want to resolve those differences, but one person is right now like this. Some communication is going. So let's see some more. Chariot. Oh, cards. See? Yeah. Cards. Yeah, one person want to take the Star, Wheel of Fortune and Chariot. Definitely one person could be Cancer. You or your person could be. They want to take things forward. Yeah. They want to take things forward. They want to work on this relationship. They want this partnership. In past, I think there is no collaboration between both of you. There is no equal give and take also. But now, one person want to work on this relationship. I think it could be you or your person, but one person right now stuck. They're heartbroken, they're spiritual awakening, and they're stuck. It could be you or your person. Literally, one person stuck in this connection. They don't know what to do. They are like this. They are feeling like this in energy wise. They don't know what to do because they are in so much emotion. They are in so much pain, like emotional pain, or for some they have some emotional baggage also, and with that they are also undergoing some spiritual awakening, and Ace of Swords, they are stuck. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity about the situation. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy is here. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy. A Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Aquarius. Wow, Wheel of Fortune 2 times. Wow, the Lovers. Ace of Cups. Wow, I think you may be feeling very heartbroken, I am getting. But your person want reconciliation with you if you are in separation, or if you are in no contact. Definitely your person want to communicate you. They want to express their feelings because they are waiting for the right moment. Because Wheel of Fortune, definitely they are waiting for right moment. And the Lovers, definitely you or your person could be Gemini. They love you. The love is there between both of you. And Ace of Cups, definitely they love you so much, and their love towards you is overflowing. Definitely they want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, I think the one person who want to put a lot of effort this time is your person, but in past you put a lot of effort in this connection. In that time your person not available to you emotionally, whatever, then you walked away for some, there is no contact for some separation, but now your person realize you both they want to work on this relationship. Yeah, so let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Two of Swords, the Tower, Seven of Cups. What their actions, their thoughts are different from each other. Two of Swords, definitely there are some crossroads in action wise. They have to make some major decision regarding this connection, but some Tower moment. I think for some you are not going to accept their love again. That's why there are some Tower moment is happened. But they are fantasizing about you a lot. For some they are fantasizing about you a lot. For some your person have options too. They are seeing other options. Only few, very few. But major of you, definitely your person fantasizing about you a lot, because Ace of Cups with Lovers, definitely for some it could be soulmate collection also, but your person have to make some decision. They are at some crossroads. Two of Swords is here. But I think the Tower moment, I want one clarification card for actions wise. Yeah, another. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some there is chance for new beginnings, but I think one person, I think it could be you. You stand by your power. You deserve best. If they don't offer what you deserve, definitely you cut them off, Aquarius. You are very straightforward and honest. I think King of Swords and Queen of Swords is here. Definitely both are strong couple, stubborn couple. Yeah, some Tower moment is going to be happen. It could be either for good or for bad. For some there will be reconciliation, but for some there will be, you are not going to give another chance to your person for some. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Two cards. Nine of Wands, Five of Cups. Yeah, I already told you for some you are not going to give another chance. That's why Five of Cups, separation still, but Nine of Cups, strength. One person wishing for this connection, they're gaining the strength back to come towards this connection, but one person is guarded up. I think it's you, Aquarius. Five of Cups, separation. I think your person feeling very very sad for the separation between both of you, but they are wishing for this connection. But one person is guarded. I think you are guarded up. You want to protect your heart this time. You don't want any disturbances this time, because in past you may be feeling very heartbroken. That's why you are now like this, heartbroken. But Five of Cups, separation, still separation, but one person wishing for this connection. So for some there is reconciliation, for some not. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. Six of Pentacles, High Priestess and Death. Yeah, your person could be Scorpio. Definitely you are undergoing some spiritual awakening also. The Hangman, yes, you only the person is heartbroken and undergoing some spiritual awakening, and you are listening to higher self. Yeah. And yeah, Six of Pentacles, there is no equal give and take in this connection in past, but now your person want to offer equal give and take to this connection and to you, but you don't want now. For some you are not going to accept their offer, for some you are going to accept. So take what resonate and leave the rest, because it is general reading. Because for some, yes, it could be reconciliation, for some it is not. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, Five of Wands, Three of Swords and Six of Wands. Yeah, your person also feeling heartbroken, and Five of Wands. Definitely there is some fighting and disturbances, issues going between both of you still. And Six of Wands, but they want success in this connection. Queen of Pentacles, they want to share their love and aim with you, but still there are some disturbances between both of you still going. Five of Wands. Yeah, lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and lot of air energy also. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You or your person could be. Yeah, you or your person could be Leo also, especially here the strength card is here. Yeah, this is the reading for you guys, Aquarius. For some there is reconciliation, for some you are not going to give any another chance to your person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much. Bye.